This recliner has officially become my favorite spot in the house. It's the FlexiSpot Swivel Rocker Recliner, and it's made for your everyday comfort. It gives you a full 360 swivel, plus a rocking chair motion. So if you're gaming, watching TV, or just winding down at night, this chair is incredibly relaxing. And it's really pretty. The fabric is another highlight. It's Oeko-Tex certified and 3-proof, which means it resists water, stains, and scratches. You don't have to worry about coffee spills or crumb snacks or even your pets climbing up here. A quick wipe down and it'll look brand new. Which, being a pet owner, that's something I love. It's also worth mentioning it's an award-winning design. Modern and elegant, but it's still really comfortable enough to blend seamlessly into any of your rooms. And this one actually really closely matches my current couch. This chair is an oversized chair, so it's super roomy, and you can sit with your legs crossed, which is something I always do. You can curl up with a blanket or even share it with your kid or your pet. It's built really tough with a solid frame, and they say it's been tested over 10,000 times, and so it safely supports up to 350 pounds, which is great. The assembly is quick. It took us about 10 minutes, so after you unpack it, they say give it about 48 hours to fully expand back to its shape. And just note that it ships in 2 boxes. I really like the quality of this chair, so I recommend it to you if you're looking for something for movie nights, gaming marathons, or just simply relaxing back and putting your legs up. This one checks every box. Grab your recliner at the link below.